Y'all, I can't with myself. We were almost home. I got a call from the nursery. I left our seats at the nursery. But do you see all our flowers? Oh my god. Lots of stuff to do today, and oh my god, it's 10:30.
Donuts.
Donuts? What?
Yeah,
Oh, kid got donuts.
For snacks. Oh, they both got donuts.
So, we're gonna go home and start tearing up the front garden. So we've been doing this for, what, an hour? 2 hours? How long have we been doing this?
11?
Yeah, ish. It's 1.
That's almost 1, so about 2
Yeah,
hours.
2 hours.
Where'd your hair go?
Got all that done. He scraped his hand, so he had to go inside and wash it, make sure all the dirt and stuff got out.
Okay.
There's still a lot to do. So I have the rest of this area we need to pull up to the spouse and the child. The boyfriend is up there starting up here. So I clearly didn't get like all the little pieces. I'm just gonna go ahead and use the tiller and till all this little shit out, because this is mostly grass. Like this is grass and obviously some weeds, but we got a lot to go. Well, this is currently as good as it's gonna get. We're gonna take a rake to it, and we're also like tossing stuff from up there down here. But look at all the weeds and stuff down there.
Really?
Boyfriend got a stump that was up there taken out. Are you getting attacked by Groot again?
Yep.
This is Groot. The Groot is our, I don't know what kind of tree. We think it's an orange tree.
We've named that tree Groot.
Yep. It never had leaves or produce or anything on it until this year, and it's been here since before we bought the house. So
It's actually got a lot of new growth on it.
yeah, super
tree-
excited.
And that tree have
because
been here even before we moved here.
But it's sprouting all new branches.
Yeah, and same with this one. Like this orange tree has always been fruitful, so I'm gonna probably pick some ripe oranges later today, and
And those oranges are delicious.
and that I'm fairly certain is a lime tree
Or lemon.
or a lemon. I haven't been able to tell. Like there's no more fruit on it anymore. There hasn't been fruit on it since like the fall, but
Follow me.
it's starting to flower again, so we'll see what they are in a little bit.
Hello, YouTube.
There's one quick thing.
Disgusting orange.
Don't talk about that. This orange tree is delicious.
Yeah.
There's a
Also-
disgusting orange
Where?
over here.
In the ground?
It just split.
No.
It just split open.
Oh, means it needs more water.
So,
We've paused working on that one. We're gonna get the roses in the ground where that hole was, but Shiloh had to go get a pipe to fix the irrigation system. So I am planting dahlias. That's gonna be the only pre-grown flower that's getting planted in this bed. And then I gotta seed start some flowers and get them down here too.
I got rose and flower food.
Yeah. Do you know what flower we're feeding?
You've been saying it.
Mm-hmm. What is it?
Dahlias.
There you go.
And roses.
And roses. I'm not feeding the roses yet. So
We can't
I got
plant the
holes to dig.
roses yet.
So we are using
Rose and flower food.
Fertilome rose and flower food. I have never used plant food for flowers. There's Sissy! And Minion. Minion, are you on camera or no?
Me?
Okay. And Minion. So we're gonna finally got our first hole dug for our dahlia. We're gonna give it some food and then plant the other ones. All right, dahlias are planted. I feel like I should go back to the nursery one more time and get one more of those dahlias to plant there. I don't know. It's gonna be very sad because they're all by themselves. And now there's nothing here. And I gotta finish clearing all that out. So, lovely boyfriend is tilling up where our flowers are going. We got the irrigation system and they're done.
Scatter and rake in lightly.
Yep, so which one are we doing?
This one.
This one. We're gonna plant these ones here, right there. And then we'll do these brush strokes in the middle, and then black peonies, and then Chinese lanterns. And then we just gotta put the roses in, and then we're done for the night. And then over there on this slope, we're gonna have sunflowers. I'm not sure what we're doing here yet though. I have some black trumpet sagioglossies, I think word, that are possibly gonna go here. And we also have another like a vining flower thing that I'm probably gonna put somewhere. So yeah, we're gonna get some seeds done.
Great, now do that. Find a new spot right next to it. Do it again.
I try.
Hang on.
There you go. Don't hit the black cord either.
Puncturing that might be bad.
Careful.
And
Twist.
no, put it back. And then twist. Now twist.
There you go.
You gotta make sure you're missing a whole bunch. You have to go by a line. You can't do one spot here and then miss this whole section.
I already did that one.
No, you did not. You did.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
All right, y'all. So 1 week and a new hair color later, the front garden is finally all put together. And unfortunately, this entire week, which is one of the reasons why it took forever to get done, it has been really, really hot, which has caused my twilight roses to start dying and my dahlias to start dying. So hopefully this coming week is going to be cool. So hopefully it'll help the seeds germinate and keep my flowers from dying. But that's gonna do it for this vlog that took over a week to get done. I really like the way that the mulch came out. I'm really happy with all the weeding and the way it cleaned up the entire property line. So yeah, there's a lot more spring cleaning and renovations coming on the homestead, along with a surprise later this current week that I'm on that you guys will probably see next week. So if you guys want to see what that surprise is, stay tuned. Hit the subscribe button, thumbs up, and the notification bell, and follow us. Follow us on Instagram at TheCompoundZoo, and I'll see you guys next time.